Installing Java on Windows. JDK, Java Development Kit, which includes JRE, Java Runtime, plus the Development Tools Compiler and Debugger, is need for running Java programs. Number 1. I am going to show you how to download and install Java on your Windows computer. Check and find out if you already have Java JDK on your computer. From CMD line, type Java -version. If Java was installed, display Java version. Number 2. Go to any search engine, like Google, and search for Download Java JDK. Click on Java SE, Downloads, Oracle Technology, Network, Oracle. Number 3. Click on JDK Download. Number 4. Click on JDK 14.0.2 Windows x64 bin exe. Continue and click on Download. 14.0.2 Windows x64 6.exe. Number 5. I am going to show you how to set up your environment for Java. Right-click on the My Computer and click on Properties. Click on Advanced System Setting. Click on Environment Variables. Number 6. Under System Variables, scroll to find the Path variable. Then click on Path, and then click Edit. Add the following line: C:\program files /Java /JDK -14.0.2 /bin. Click OK. Number 7. Under System Variable, click New. Enter following. For variable, enter name Java_home. For variable value, enter C:\program files /Java /JDK -14.0.2. You need to verify that Java was installed on your computer. Under CMD line, and type Java -version. The Java version should get display. Java version 14.0.2. Number 9. Under CMD, type Java C-version. The Java C version should get display. Java C 14.0.2. Number 10. Under CMD, type echo $Java_home %. The Java home location get display. C:\program files /Java /JDK -14.0.2.